Alright, today we've got a 2012 Hyundai Accent, and we've installed the 250-1859 cruise control kit here. And as you can see, here's the column mount cruise control switch mounted on the plastic shroud that surrounds the steering column. Once you remove this plastic shroud, there's a lot of room behind there. There is a white connector that you want to make sure that you have enough clearance for once you drill your 3/8" hole in that shroud. So just make sure when you pop that off, you've got room there, but it's, as you can see, it's a really good color match and it looks really nice. Electrical connections that we have to make at the accelerator position sensor are right here. You'll see that connector there. You're going to follow that harness up above, and there's going to be two wires that we're going to be interfacing into there. There's going to be a yellow and a green wire that we're going to use to interface into. That's where our accelerator wires are going to go. And then, of course, we've got to interface into the brake wire. The Rostra white with a brown stripe and the Rostra blue wire are going to go to the pink and yellow wires, respectively. You can see it here, blue to yellow. White with the brown is going to go to pink, and that's going to take care of our brake connections. And then our VSS wire is going to be found at the OBD2 connector here, and it's going to be a pink wire. It's the only pink wire in that harness, and there we have it. And then a good ignition power source on the 2012 Hyundai Accent is going to be right at the main ignition harness in the steering column, and it's going to be a large gauge pink wire. Just make sure you tap into that and fuse it properly. And that's pretty much it. You're just going to go to a standard chassis ground. And that's pretty much all the connections that we need to make. Two wires going to the accelerator position sensor, two wires going to the original equipment brake switch, one wire going to the OBD2 connector, and then one wire to the main ignition switch, and then ground. And that's pretty much it for the 2012 Hyundai Accent.